our channel. For those of you who are seeing me for the first time, I am Anathi and I hope you like what you see and that you do subscribe. For those of you who are returning, thank you so much. We really do appreciate it. So yeah, welcome to a couple of days in our lives. So today is Monday the 25th of April, and what we have going on today is just that I'm gonna tidy up the kitchen first and foremost because it's quite a mess. We left it messy last night, and later on today we gonna have our solar system installed, which I'm so excited about because load shedding is crazy hectic right now. So I'm super excited about the solar. I'll show you guys what is being installed, and if you want a detailed video about everything and advice when it comes to these solar systems and all, my husband has a bit of knowledge when it comes to that, so we can shoot a separate video for you guys where he advises you guys on how to go about it. But for now, yeah, welcome. So for our solar system, they're gonna install 4 solar panels, which we already have. For those of you who might not know, we had a crop farming business that we currently put on hold, and for that crop farming business we had a solar pump that ran using 4 solar panels, which is what we're going to use for our solar system for now up until we go back to the crop farming. Then we'll have to buy new panels, but those are in the garage. Let me quickly show you guys. So these are the solar panels that they're going to be installing. Don't mind the weird dustbin over there and the black bag over here. This just has the covers for the patio furniture, and we use that small dustbin and transfer it to the bigger dustbin. But yeah, here's the focus. Here are the solar panels. I'll definitely take you guys through everything that they're going to be doing when they're installing the solar, so that you guys have an idea of how they do it and how it works. So they're done now. Everything is installed. The panels are there. You can come close, babe. I want to explain this thingy. So the battery is in here, and this is a schematic of how everything works. So right now, this represents ESCOM, so it's showing what we're pulling from the grid and what of that is going to the house. This represents the inverter, which is this thing. And then that represents the batteries and that represents the panels. So right now we're pulling 1.3 kilowatts from the grid, and 0.46 kilowatts is being used by the house, and then the battery is being charged by the grid right now, because at night obviously there's no sun to charge the battery via the panels and to come towards the house via the panels. Did I explain right?
Yeah, you tried.
Yeah, I tried. Hubby just told me now and I tried. So the batteries are in here. Don't know what he just pressed because he didn't explain that part.
This is a battery, not the batteries in here. This whole thing.
This is the battery.
This is a battery.
Oh, my bad. This
That's
is
an
the
inverter.
And what else can I... Oh, and there's an app for it on the phone as well. So basically everything that's displayed there, that information there, you can see it on your app on the phone. So from
It's on the
tomorrow...
cloud actually, because this is a dongle. It's connected to our Wi-Fi.
Wait, what? I did not know that. Okay.
So you can see it from anywhere. You don't need to connect.
Show us on your phone. Can I also see it?
Yeah, you can see it.
So that's the info there. So babe, we're gonna be sorted from when? Oh, the battery is charging. So meaning J, like anytime if the electricity were to cut now, we will have capacity.
Yeah, the battery will take over.
Okay. Yeah, so no more load shedding for us. I'm so excited.
Goodbye, load shedding.
Bye, load shedding. And we're actually supposed to be on load shedding right now. Hey guys, welcome to another day of our vlog. I'm sorry I don't look very presentable. I haven't showered yet. And when you have a baby girl, the eye bags will always be eye bagging because you operate on not a lot of sleep. So yeah, that's my life. Today is the 26th of April. It's a Wednesday and we have quite a bit going on. I'm hoping we can get to everything. So right now Pumpkin is over there sleeping in his cot. Baby's in the other room working, and our house is basically having a maintenance day. Our helper is busy cleaning and the guy who cuts our grass is outside cutting our grass. Today we have quite a bit going on, or I have quite a bit going on. I want to go to the salon and unplait my hair. At this point I've had these braids for close to 2 months. I wanted a hairstyle that's like wake up and go, where I'll even forget the fact that I have hair. And these braids hit the spot. I've had them in a bun for 99.99999% of the time. I literally just wanted to focus on my baby, and that's what this hairstyle afforded me. If I can't get my hair unplaited today due to the number of things that I still have to do, then I'll ask my friend to do that for me tomorrow, because we are going to the village. And that brings me to the second part of what we have going on. We are going to the village later today as soon as the baby knocks off, so I have to pack for that. I also want to go to Foshini and go look for an outfit for an event that I have coming up. My friend suggested that what I'm looking for, I'll be able to find at Foshini. So I just want to go have a look. And if I have enough time, I'm hoping, which I doubt I'll be able to do, I'm hoping to go to the doctor to go for a consultation for contraceptives. And then we also have to go do a little bit of shopping before we go to the village, just a little bit of of shopping for the village. And yeah, that's about it. So we did get the solar installed yesterday. I haven't really been able to see it properly in action because we didn't have load shedding as per our schedule yesterday. I hope I'll get to see it before we go to the village. If not, there's still time. When we come back, we'll get to see it properly in action. Yeah, so yeah, I'll take you guys along with me today, and hopefully we get everything done that we need to do.
2,000 years later.
So when I last spoke to you guys, it was at 8:30 in the morning, and now it is 11:30. As you guys can see, my hair is still not unplaited. And one thing I can say is, once you have kids, you make the plans, but they make the decisions. So Pumpkin woke up before I could literally do anything, and I've been playing with him, I've been chilling with him. He just went to sleep now only, and the naps that he takes around this time don't normally last, so I literally can't go to the salon. But I have spoken to my friend, and she says that she'll unplait my hair as soon as we get there tonight. As for the rest of the plans, we are gonna go to Foshini later, and we are gonna go do the shopping before we go to the village. The doctor, I've decided to move to what day is it today? Today is Wednesday. I've decided to move to Friday. So Friday morning, I'm just gonna go to the salon and go treat my hair or relax my hair or whatever. And then after that, I'm gonna go to the doctor, and then I'll see the rest of the stuff that I'll get up to on Friday. But as for now, still not unplaited. And I was actually thinking of dyeing my hair. There's this dye that I bought a couple of months ago, I think sometime last year. I wonder if it hasn't expired. Oh no, I can't reach. I can't see it. I think it's been pushed back here, so I can't find it. So yeah, I had bought it thinking that I'm just gonna highlight my hair with it, just have a few strands of brown or rustic, whatever that color is. But now I'm tempted to dye my hair with it, like full blown dyeing with it. So I don't know, I'll decide. Friday is still far, so I'll decide on that some other time, or before Friday rather. And yeah, an update on the solar. We're currently on load shedding now. We were supposed to have load shedding from 10 to 12, I think. So the solar is working rather well. We are connected. You see, the fridge is on. So yeah, kudos to solar. I'm loving that. Yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. What I still have to do is pack while baby is still working before he knocks off. And then when he knocks off, we can just pass by Foshini on our way, and pass by and do a little bit of shopping on our way. So yeah, let me make a cup of tea now and have breakfast. I don't know if it's still called breakfast at this time. I'll just call it brunch, and have brunch and watch a little bit of TV. I'll pack as soon as the baby's up, which is in the next 30 minutes or 40 minutes if I'm lucky. And yeah, the rest we shall see. Bye for now. you guys can see, it is super dark. It is now not baby locking the car while I'm inside. And then he remembered again and unlocked. Okay, so it is 6:10 now. Things didn't go according to plan today at all. Baby just knocked off, and then we quickly left the house. Now we at Checkers. Pumpkin and I are waiting in the car. We at Checkers now. We're coming to buy a few things for the village, and then then we off. I'll see you guys again later today, maybe when we arrive, or tomorrow morning, because when we get there there's going to be load shedding, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to update you guys. But yeah, bye. Hey guys, just an update. So now is the 27th of April. It's Thursday, so it's the next day after we were traveling. We traveled well last night. We arrived here around 9. Hey, don't show your face, Baba. We arrived here to 9. So yeah, Pumpkin got to meet his great-grandmothers. He got to meet Happy's aunt and everyone. He woke up extremely happy even today in jail. Like he's a morning person, but today he was extra happy. It's like he can feel that he's officially home. So yeah, today the plans are we're gonna chill. My friend is gonna unplait my hair. And yeah, I'm about to get my day started now. I just finished breastfeeding. I'm gonna quickly make breakfast and then clean and then shower a bit later. Yeah, let's go.
I need a second to take a breath, to keep me guessing with what you said. You're in my head. We're under pressure, we're sinking deep like stormy weather. Can't seem to breathe when you're with me. If you're gonna break me, I know I won't stay. I don't wanna wait here, you push me away. If you're gonna choose, you don't know what to do. I don't wanna lose you, but don't wanna lose me too. So complicated, don't mess it up. Feeling frustrated, it ain't enough to fix a love.